Vanakkam, I am Dr. Jeyaraj, Director, EPSIBA Institute of Heritage Conservation. This institute is trying to teach the subject of heritage conservation, museology, firefighting, etc. Now, in collaboration with the Cholamandal Artist Village, Art Expressions, we are going to conduct a workshop on conservation and restoration of oil paintings on canvas from 6th to 16th December 2023 at the Cholamandal Artist Village.
So now I remember when he was talking about, I was so happy because every artist should know how to conserve, even if you are old to work.
எல்லா மீடியமாக ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுவாங்க. நான் போய் கற்றுக்கும் போது கேன்வாஸ் இருக்கும், பேப்பர்ஸ் இருக்கும், மெட்டல் இருக்கும், வுட் இருக்கும், ஸ்டோன் எல்லா மெட்டீரியலும் சார் கை தேர்ந்த ஆள். ஸோ நேஷனல் லெவலில் இவரோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆல் ஓவர் வேர்ல்டு ஃபுல்லாக இருக்காங்க, ஆல் ஓவர் இந்தியா ஃபுல்லாக இருக்காங்க.
The workshop will be conducted inaugurated on 6th of December, and it will have the rudimentary knowledge of chemistry in conserving oil paintings on canvas and the pigments, paints, varnish, various damaging agencies, and how to clean them, how to conserve them, how to restore them. And then to know how to authenticate a painting, whether it is original or duplicate. Then to value the paintings. What will be the cost of the painting?
இந்த ரெஸ்டோரேஷனில் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்க மாட்டேங்கிற காரணம் என்னன்னாக்க, டெக்னாலஜி will be transferred to others. But my concept is, whatever technology you have, transfer, so that it will not die. There is a difference between a restorer, conservator, and a conservator, restorer, teacher. I am a teacher. Almost all artists know linseed oil. What is the difference between linseed oil and coconut oil? No, I know. Will not tell. If after my classes, you will be able to tell. Yes. Parts of a painting. What is a cracked lune? Cracked lune. Difference between crack and cracked lune. What is cracked lune? இப்போ 100 வருஷம் பெயிண்டிங் ஒரு 50 வருஷம் நான் பண்ணணும்னாக்க, that is called conservation. What is restoration? உடஞ்சி போனது பழைய நிலைமை கொண்டு வரது ரெஸ்டோரேஷன். ரெண்டுக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கா இல்லையா? What is preservation? உங்க பெயிண்டிங்குடைய கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ் தெரியுமா?
All these will take place, and those who join can send the application immediately in a format which can be available from Cholamandal Artist Village or Art Expression or from EPSIBA Institute of Heritage Conservation. For bona fide students, the fees will be 5,000 for 10 days. For others, it will be 7,000. Those who are from outstation can contact the Cholamandal Artist Village for the food and accommodation. The details about the workshop, the venue, dates, fees, etc. will be available in the video description. Any doubts if you have, you can contact me in my number 938-100-8253 and clarify. I welcome you all. If you are not able to participate, you can tell this matter to your friends or those who are interested in the subject. Thank you.